Hi friends. Today we have brought you 400 watt stereo amplifier PCB. Connect here audio input, right channel, and here left channel. Here is speaker output. Connect speaker here, left speaker, and right speaker. Use for ohm speaker. Connect power supply here. Use plus minus 40 volt DC power supply. You can use minimum 8 ampere to maximum 10 ampere transformer. This is 2sc5200 and 2sa1943 transistor. You can also use MJW complementary transistor. If you like our videos then please like and subscribe our channel.
You hear the sound.